Please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you. Welcome back to ECRA and Garage. Today we're going to try to make a coil mounting bracket for this coil here. I got from my good friend of mine. I was using an old Honda coil, but this one is going to be a little more suited and a little slimmer to mount to my frame. I have an old piece of stainless strap left over from my gas tank mounts that I made. I was going to have two tanks originally on the bike. Now I just have one, so I found this here, so I'm going to attempt to make a little bracket because I don't have one. And being on a no budget, you make things with what you got kicking around. So first I'm going to just bend this around this coil to get the basic shape. I don't want to pinch it too tight to crush the casing here. I just want to get the basic shape of this mount. So now after a little bit of shaping, I got the basic shape that I want. That's just nice and snug. I can bolt that through. I'll trim up the edges on a little bit and grind it a little smooth because that stainless is pretty sharp. And pinch that together. It's tight enough to hold it. And that'll fit under my frame quite nicely. So I'll just finish up those edges and then we'll install it on the bike. There, one coil bracket installed. Wouldn't solid, it won't spin, won't rust with the stainless. And next I'll make the wire up and get a 90-degree spark plug connector so I can loop that around. And that'll be the coil and spark plug ready to go. Next I think I'll work on the chain. I haven't had a chance to ever put the chain on this setup with the Ninja back wheel. So I'm going to get the new chain out of the package and fit it up. Alright, as you can see, my chain is a few lengths too long. I'm just going to grab that length there and grind it off and shorten this chain up by a few lengths. And then I can install the chain and see if this actually spins and everything's got lots of clearance between the wheel and the frame and the sprockets. Alright, I ground a few lengths out of the new chain, and now I'm just fitting the chain on here. If I did my measurements right, it should line right up. master link in here. Master link plate. And the retainer clip. Alright, spins. There'll be a lot of slack in this chain once I start running the bike, so I'll have to probably take some more links out of it and use the adjusters, but nothing seems to be dragging, so I think we're all good for that. Next time I start the engine, I'll be able to actually spin the wheel and maybe run it out the driveway just to see what it's going to do and how it's going to do it. That's going to be it for today. Thanks for tuning in to the ECRN Garage.